Great question. How do you set up your domains for high level? There's a couple things that I want to share with you on how to set up your domain because there's a few things that you want to check so that it is set up correctly. I actually just set up my daughter's new company here and I'm super excited about it. And I actually already did the logo. I actually filmed myself doing it. So hopefully I'll be able to cut that and share that with you over on YouTube too. So but I thought I got this question today, and I thought that I would just go ahead and film a video for you. So you go ahead and I'm in the sub account, and I actually just went into the settings and went to domains, and I actually was trying to let me go ahead and delete this, and I was going to reinstall it here so you can see how to do it. So we're actually going to go ahead and just delete the whole thing out, and I'm going to start from scratch. We're going to go to domains, and I was trying to delete it, still connected. Okay, there, deleting it, and we're going to start from scratch. So I'm connecting the domain slime DIY. I'm actually already finished the well, it's kind of a draft. It's not completely finished. So you're just going to go to settings, domains, and you're going to put in the website. Then you're going to go ahead and turn that on. We also want the www as well because that's like the you want to make sure that's set up. Now, if you're using GoDaddy or Cloudflare, when you click continue, it's going to actually sync in with GoDaddy or Cloudflare, ask you to log in and sign up. In my case, I actually buy my domains from Namecheap. I just have a thing. I don't really want to support GoDaddy, but hey, it's people still use it. GHL, GoHighLevel also syncs with Cloudflare and high level automatically. So when I click continue, if I was using one of those services, it'll automatically sync. So instead, we're going to click on add manually. So you're going to add in the A record, C name record, and you can easily do that over on Namecheap. I probably have, if you need to Google it or for whatever domain service that you bought your domain is, they can tell you exactly how to add them. I've already added these codes, so I'm just going to go ahead and click verify records. Sorry, I'm speeding through. We're going to, sometimes if it does take, if it's not, of course it says it can take up to 30 seconds. And if it comes back and it's not set up, even though you already added your A record and your WWC name record, things like that, and then it's still not going, it just may take a couple times for you to click the button. So let me go ahead and verify it again. And this also may be the reason why it's, because I already have it set, but another reason why is I literally just deleted it and I'm re-adding it right now so that I can show you how it looks like. All right, we're in. And then what you're going to do is click on the three dots and click on edit, and you're going to point you're going to edit the default page to point to where you want it to go. So we are going to point it to, let's see, the main part of the site. See, was that products list? Why is it named? I think that was it. To make sure that was the right page. So it must be the products list. So I'm going to put the same one for the default and the 404 errors, and we're going to click save. Also on the WW side, I'm going to make sure that that is set to if it needs to be edit. So yeah, we're going to edit on both of them to the page we want. Save that. Then also what you're going to need to do is go to back to sites where you have the website. Actually, this is going to be an e-commerce store. So I have it in the e-commerce and websites. So I'm actually using this ice cream shop template. And so yeah, we're pointing it to this. I'm going to have to rename this. So I'm re-editing this template. And so either one, if you're under websites or funnels, you're going to go to settings and you're going to make sure this is also set to the correct domain. And it could be either one, www or the slime one, or the non-W or non-RW. You can just pick one, but this one needs to be in this area too. So yeah, there's just a couple little tiny caveats. You want it inside of the funnel itself, even though you pointed it under the domain section. you also have to come into here and also go to settings and point it there and see. I don't have any funnels here, but if it's under funnels, then there's also a section under, let's see if I can grab one. Let's grab a template in here. Go back. Grab this one. There's lots, which is great. This is lots of templates in here. Even though they may look ugly, you can really make them look nice. It's just really about you revamping them and matching them to your own theme. So there's lots of templates in the template section of the websites and funnels and under stores. I was actually just making my daughter a store. So you want to also make sure every time you're editing your sites, you save and publish. And sometimes I've been noticing I had to click that button and publish again. So when you're editing here, like see this one is a brand new one that I just added like I did, it's going to ask you where do you want to point that. So it's not going to be published until you point it to a domain. So there's that. So another, and if you're already like editing like I just did right now and you want to go back, I don't have a site ready for this one, you have to go into the settings section and make sure that the domain is picked here. All right, thanks. Hopefully this helps. And if you have any more questions, you know where to find me. Make sure to comment below if you're watching over my YouTube channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Much love and aloha.